Hi, in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing video to show you this new beauty box called Muuse. This is a brand that is inspired by women and it's launching today to celebrate International Women's Day. There are 6 beauty products in here and they're all full-size products. They are all UK based brands, some are even handmade and cruelty free. There are limited amount of boxes available, so I'm not sure how fast it's going to sell out, but if you do like what you see in here then grab it straight away. So this is their first box. Every box, every month, they're going to have a different theme, and this one's theme is empowerment. This is what the box looks like when you open it. It's worth over £100. They are all full-size products. This brand doesn't provide sample sizes. Not all brands do this, by the way, so that's amazing. Especially because this box is only £15 a month. I've got a discount code available as well. I believe it's melis.ates. It gets you 15% off your first box, but this is only valid for the first 100 orders. So again, if you do like the look of this, then grab it straight away. I personally love trying out new products and I like to discover new brands, especially like UK based ones, things that are handmade. I love it. You can subscribe for 3 months, 6 months or a year, and you can cancel this anytime as well. I thought I would show you a close-up of the box. It's got these really nice line drawings. I love stuff like this. I've got like nail stickers like this, and if you follow me on Instagram you'll see that I actually do drawings like this and just post it on my story for fun. So when you open it this way, I thought I would straighten out the products and the shredded paper. So that's their Instagram there. It says it's inspired by you, and this is what it looks like in the box. I've just thought I'll neaten it up and show you. So they are 6 full-size products. I think it's really nice, and I just love the fact that they're full-size products. So I'm planning on testing each and every product and then pick my favourite ones and then do a tutorial, and I'll put it on Instagram. But because I have sensitive skin, I'm going to have to try one product at a time, because if I try all of them at the same time, especially like the skincare ones, if I get a reaction I'm not going to know which one has caused it. So I'm going to have to do one at a time, see how it goes, and then I will share like which ones are my favourite, and I might do a tutorial as well, and that will be all on my Instagram. The first product that I'm going to show you is this night cream. This is the Smoom Naked Night Face Floss. It looks really cool. It looks like whipped cream. I actually want to eat it. It smells like a spa, and can I just say I've never seen a night cream that's this colour. It's like a grey colour because it's got activated charcoal in here. In the salon I work at, we've got like cleansers that are grey or masks that are grey, but I've never seen a night cream that's grey. So this night cream is vegan, it's cruelty free. I like the look of the ingredients in here. It's got shea butter, apricot kernel oil, organic vegetable glycerin, zinc oxide, organic lavender oil, activated charcoal. So I like that I understand the ingredients list. So this night cream is supposed to help with the production of collagen and elastin. You can start using this from the age of 25 because the way we're trained as beauty therapists, you lose collagen every year, about 20% of collagen every year from the age of 25. So you can start using anti-aging products like this to help keep that production of collagen and elastin going, because your skin, as you age, it slows down. I'm excited to try this. I don't think I've ever used a night cream, which is worrying because I am 27, so I should start using it. The next product in here are these beauty cubes. This is shampoo. It's for normal to dry hair, which my hair is quite dry. I feel like curly hair. My hair isn't really curly, but curly hair tends to be a little bit drier. I have used a shampoo bar before and I didn't like it. It says it's different to a shampoo bar. It says it's more, even though it's a cube, it's more like a liquid shampoo. So I'm really excited to try this. 1 cube is equal to 1 wash, and there are 27 cubes in here. It says it's got nourishing ingredients like coconut milk, meadow foam, seed oil, provitamin B5, rose extract, and uplifting essential oils. It's 100% plastic free for anyone who wants to know. It's vegan and cruelty free. Oh, it's made in Cornwall. That's nice. The next full-size product is the Flow bamboo pads. Now this is definitely inspired by women. I am really excited to try this because I cannot use every brand There are only particular brands that I can use because some irritate my skin. I have a feeling my skin's gonna agree with this because it's 100% organic bamboo. So because it's natural, it says by dryness, irritation or sweaty nappy feeling, and customers have said that it feels like sitting on a cloud, so I'm really excited to try this. I didn't think I would be that excited to try a pad, but okay. The next product is the one that has the highest value, so this is the priciest item in here. It's the Doctor's Cosmeceutical Hydrate Me ampules. I've tried products like this before, and we sell product like ampules in the salon, and they're basically a 1 week supply as like a boost for your skin, just to hydrate it. And I recommend this for anybody who has a special occasion coming up, so use this the week leading up to it. I recommend that you use this during the winter and after the winter as well, just to keep your skin hydrated. My skin got really dehydrated during the winter, so I did use something similar to this, and now that winter, well, it's still cold, but the winter is pretty much over, yeah, I'm really excited to try this out again. You use this like a serum, so you use it before your moisturiser. You basically break it off and then apply it to your skin, wait for it to absorb a little bit, and then you put your moisturiser on, and you use one a day, so I recommend that you use it in the evening before you go to bed. I just noticed something about this and I want to mention it for my viewers, for my vegan viewers. So it says this is vegan at the front, but when I look at the ingredients list, it does say it's got snail excretion filtrate. I don't know what that is, but I just saw the word snail. I know that vegans don't use anything from animals, insects, anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide the links to the website for each product so that you can have a look at the ingredients list. If you are vegan and you definitely want an ingredients list, I'll provide that down below. The next product is the Skin Glow Mask. It's a 2-piece facial treatment mask, so it's a sheet mask. It's got vitamin C in there, which is one of my favourite ingredients. Loads and loads of benefits of vitamin C. It's got turmeric, which I don't think I've ever come across turmeric in a skincare product, like me personally at work as well. But I do know that there are benefits, like good benefits for the skin from turmeric. It's got hyaluronic acid, which is pretty much like in a lot of products at work. Hyaluronic acid is really hydrating, so if you've got dehydrated skin, hyaluronic acid is amazing. I want to see what form of vitamin C they have in here because I'm nosy like that. Oh, it's ascorbic acid. So that's the vitamin C that they've got. Cool. Happy with that. So this is a mask, so you need to cleanse your skin first. It needs to be applied on cleansed, dry skin. Put this on, and this mask in particular, you leave it on for 20 minutes. You can leave it on for longer if you want. And it says here you can use it 3 times a week if you want. I tend to use masks once a week, but if you can use a mask 3 times a week, that is a good sign. It means it's not that harsh. Some masks are a little bit too heavy, a little bit too strong, so I'm excited to try this. The last product in here is the In Your Dreams Pressed Glitter Balm. This is in the shade Aura. This is basically a highlighter, but it's more like a balm, so it says it's a pressed glitter balm, and it's got a moisturising effect to it. It's more like moisturising. Let's see, it's made in the UK and it's cruelty free. Oh wow, that is glittery. I'm going to show you a close-up in a minute. I just want to try it. So I've just put it on my hand and it looks like it's got bigger chunks of glitter compared to like a normal highlighter. The way that I would use this is I would put this on my eyelids, either bare or as a topper on top of an eyeshadow. I think this will be nice in the summer when we are allowed to go on holiday, but I think on a beach holiday, if you just swipe that over your eyelids, I think that will look quite nice. Or on the body, maybe like on the body as well. It's got like gold glitter and it's got a bit of purple sort of flakes in there. It kind of reminds me of carnival makeup. I think this has no perfume in it because it smells like you know, kids makeup. It smells like that because it's like natural. I need to get used to this sort of product. I've never used a product like this before, so I need to get, once I get the hang of it, then I might create like a tutorial. So that is the end of my unboxing video for Muse. I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy International Women's Day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.